Hi, it's Gary here. This week I had a quick trip to London with an overnight stay in Leicester Square.
Please mind digital trading and
I stayed at the Premier Inn Leicester Square and had a Premier Plus room. The Bayliss and Harding toiletries were quite nice. I did have a look at the food and drink menu, although I didn't try any on this trip. Did enjoy a brew though. This bed was comfortable, so I slept well, and I did use the extra pillows too. Though the iron looked like it had scorched one too many things for me to risk that on my white shirt. All in, this is a comfortable room choice, and it was in a perfect location, stepping out into lively Leicester Square. There are plenty of places to eat and drink here. And you're in the heart of Theatreland. If you want a last minute West End show, the tickets kiosk is there in the background, or if there are the famous cinemas where some of the London film premieres happen. After a good night's sleep, Leicester Square was a bit quieter in the morning. Then, all too soon, it was back to the Underground at nearby Piccadilly Circus for the return trip home. If you've enjoyed my video, please don't forget to give it a like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.